Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, and I am starting real quick with my Makeup Forever Smoothing Primer. And I decided, as you know, first of all, this look is just a quick Halloween look, but I still decided to show you the base of my face, what I'm doing, just so you guys can have an idea. So I'm starting with my foundation right now, the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and I'm mixing it in with the Cover FX drops, just so the foundation can be my exact color. All the products are listed down below, guys, so if you have any question about my shades or any product that I'm using that I might forget to mention here, the name or anything, just go down below, check the box, and you will see. So I apply the foundation first with my fingers, and then now I am making sure I blend it in with a flat kabuki brush. And as you can see, just make sure you blend it very well. You don't have to use the exact products I'm using here. You can use exactly what you have in your house. Just play with what you have, you know. I'm using now my concealer from Tarte because it gives me really good coverage under my eyes. And then I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in a very dark color just to contour. And you guys can skip the step, or whatever step that you consider is not necessary for you. I wanted to be a little extra and contour, even though I even wanted to contour more than this, but I still went a little light-handed just so you guys can see how beginner friendly this is. So you can miss it. You can skip this step, or you can even skip the primer, for example. Now I'm just sitting in my eyes with my Laura Mercier powder, and what I'm doing here is just leaving some powder underneath my eyes, so in case I get any like shadow under my eyes, I can just kind of like swipe it off with the excess of powder. And now I'm doing my eyebrows, as you see, and I am using the Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Crayon pencil, and just trying to make my brows look a little bit bushier, a little bit more full. I think bushy brows will go really good with this if you can do it with this look. I actually wish I had done it even bushier, bigger brows, but I'm always lazy with my brows, so I didn't do that. Now we're going to start with the eyes, and I'm using the Colourpop palette, starting with that very light orangey color, like a peachy color. This palette is the Double Entendre palette, and I am just doing my crease, just making sure I have my first transitioning color, and then as a second transition color, I'm going to use that more intense like burnt orange color. And I'm applying a little bit lower than the color before, but I'm still not, as you will see, in my crease. Now I am going in pretty much in the crease to do a line with this very dark brown. This one is a little bit reddish, but I wanted to not pull out a lot of palettes, so I decided to just use this one. It will still work out nicely, as you will see. And I'm doing kind of like a wing line, but on my crease, because we're going to do double line, as you're gonna see today. So now I'm just blending it out a little bit so we can have like a fake crease up there. And now I'm going in with this black eyeshadow from e.l.f. You can use any black eyeshadow you have, and I am doing the same line I did before, but with this black eyeshadow. And I decided to go with the black eyeshadow because my pulse sucks, so I'll be scared to just go in with liner, which is the next step. So I decided to just do this first. In that case, I can kind of outline and then go in with the liner, as you're going to see. I still decided to blend it out a little bit because at the end, what I want to show the most is the liner. As you see now, I'm starting with my Physicians Formula eyeliner, and I am just following the same line. This is a step that, if you have bad pulse like me, is hard. In my case, I used like a felt tip eyeliner, but you can use whatever eyeliner you like. You could even use a pencil liner. Just make sure you sharpen it very well. And I am going in like kind of very close to the inner corner, as you will see. Now I'm just going to highlight my brow bone with a very light kind of whitish shade, and I'm going back in with my Shape Tape concealer, just because I want this area to be very light. As you see, I want it to be kind kind of very clean and crisp, and I got some eyeshadow there, so that's why I'm cleaning up with a brush. Just doing it, you know, real quick. Just doesn't have to be perfect. It's just to make it a little bit lighter. And I'm going in with the liner very close to my lash line, and we're doing like a wing line. But as you see in this part, I'm going in the center, like in that area of my eyes, and I'm creating a very long wing that is going to follow up with the wing from the top part. So that takes a little time, but it is a nice step. And now I'm going in with this NYX Glam Liner Aqua Lux eyeliner. This one is like a gold eyeliner. You don't have to use this. You can use whatever gold eyeliner you have, or an eyeshadow, or even glitter would be perfect with this. I don't have any glitter, so that's why I didn't do it, but glitter will be amazing. But still, you know, I think you can just play with whatever you have. Here, as you see, I'm lining in the lower lash. I did tight line, and now I'm using the black shadow, and I'm going in with mascara, of course, even though it doesn't look as great, just because the NYX eyeliner made my lash clump. So they're kind of clumped together, but doesn't matter. This is when you can use, for example, fake lashes. If you like that, that will be amazing with the look. Now I'm just applying my MAC extra dimension blush, but you can apply whatever blush you like, and I'm highlighting with my Artist Couture highlight. And I like this one because it's very bright, very bold, and I try to apply it a little bit heavy-handed, even though at the end it doesn't really even look that heavy-handed. And now we're going for the nose. So, like I said before, and I'll repeat 100 times, my pulse sucks, and I was scared to go in with the color, with the product that I want to use, which is a waterproof product. So I decided to first line with a black eyeliner. You can use a lip liner, or you can even go with whatever waterproof product you have if your pulse is good. So as you can see, I struggle in the middle part, but at the end, you know, it's just a, you know, makeup doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going in with a Makeup Forever Aqua Color Paint in the color black, and I am just going in. At first I was gonna go straight in my lips with it, but again, I was scared to mess it up, so I decided to go in with a brush, and I am going in exactly over the same area I did with the pencil liner before, just making sure this looks darker, and this is waterproof, so it's not gonna go anywhere. And I am also doing only the top lip with black. You can also do the bottom part if you want, but I decided to go in the bottom part with the NYX liner in the gold color because I thought it was an interesting combination. I found that on Pinterest, and I just thought it was really nice. Now I'm going in with the same Makeup Forever product, and I'm doing 3 little dots, which, like I said, they don't work perfectly. You know, I'm not very perfect at this. This is my first time ever doing this look, and so I'm going in with a very tiny brush, like a pencil brush, and now I'm just doing my bigotes, mustache. I'm just doing 3. You can do as many as you want. You can do like big ones, and then smaller ones will be nice, but I wanted to keep it nice and clean there. And then I had a great idea that from something that I saw, and this is a very light concealer. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD concealer, and I'm just doing these little dots with a cotton swab. As you see, you can do them as however you want, but I wanted to do them that they don't look like one on top of the other. So what I did is, as you will see, I start with 1, and then I do 2, and then I do 3. You can play with it, kind of like how you would do dot nail art on your nails. So yeah, I have a big forehead, so at the end I ended up even doing it kind of along the forehead, but I still wanted to keep the center of my face clean. So I even dragged it down my neck, as you will see here. Now this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Try it. If you're not sure, rewatch the tutorial, and I'll see you guys on my next one.